Okay guys, let's give you a little video here and show you the 67 Ford short box is done and going home to the owner. He's got to get tires, he's getting wheels custom made for it, and he's got tires on it, so you know, don't look at the tires and wheels right now, they don't matter, but just look at the truck overall. He had all the lettering on the tailgate hand painted on. Exhaust is all stainless, custom made here by us in-house. Mike did a beautiful job, welded it all together. See, Sean did a beautiful job on the bodywork, nice and straight. George got in there and gave it a beautiful job on the paintwork. So I think what he said was he's going to go with a steel wheel that's black, I believe, but made with a different offset with hubcaps. I think that's what he said. I can't remember now. Just a nice little 302 in there, no cam, no nothing. I mean, listen to that thing, it just purrs. He's ordered Dakota digital gauges now, so it'll be back later on for some gauges. I just mentioned to him that, you know, these old factory gauges, they're working okay, but they're never 100% accurate. And he said, "Oh, maybe I'll get some Dakota digital gauges." So that's nice. Dust. Tilt column he put in it. He's got to take it down now and get the dash pad put on. The headliner's got to go in. I believe he's doing carpeting. I think he's just going to throw a seat cover on it for now. See if I can get this hood open. Engine was in it when it came to us, so we really don't know much about it. But she runs like a dream. We know that much. It doesn't even have a shake. I'm not used to seeing something run so smooth. Everything around here has got a cam in it. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. See if I can get down here. All painted, body color to match underneath. I tell you, when you start doing that, you almost make them a trailer queen, because once you get them caught in the rain or the dirt, they'll never look the same again. That's why on all my own vehicles, I just go black. But beautiful, beautiful little truck. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we got to get the Merc crew cab done. The Merc crew cab's the same truck. It's a 6-foot box, but it's a crew cab. So there you have it, folks. She's finished. She's finished as far as we can take her right now. Not like anything, we suggest that he goes and drives it, put anywhere from 500 to 1,000 miles on it. Yes, miles, because I know we're in Canada, we're in kilometers, but these old vehicles are in miles. So put that many miles on it, then you bring it back and you should retighten everything. Because as we all know, you know, when you bolt something together brand new and you drive it for a while, things tend to, you know, they loosen off. It's normal. It's like when you go to the tire store and they put new wheels on, they always tell you after 100K to retighten the wheels up, retorque them. So it's no different than a vehicle. You know, and also because we don't know much about this engine, it might be a good idea after 500 miles to dump the oil out of it. I mean, you know, I don't know if it's just a good running engine or if it's a rebuilt engine, but rebuilt engines always got a little bit of filings and stuff in them. So usually run them for a bit, then dump the oil. Make sure everything's okay. Well, there you go, folks. Hey, It's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you like it. Sorry, videos are a little shy this month for the month of March. Videos are a little shy. Been super busy here. Just haven't had time to grab the camera that much. But I'm trying to catch up. And hey, Sunday Fun Days is around the corner. Hell yeah.